Hey magical friends, Deb's here. I have a really jam-packed video for you today, all about the new pink moon. I am so excited. So we have information, we have some rituals that you can do, we have downloads that you can go away and sort of download some information that I've prepared for you, and we also have a spell to promote self-love, confidence, and just make us feel a little bit better about ourselves. So grab a drink of choice, sit back, relax, let's get started. So the pink moon, a name traditionally associated with the full moon of April. It signals the vibrant energy of spring's arrival. Contrary to its name, it's not actually pink. It's actually named after the ground phlox that flowers this time of year, sometimes known as creeping phlox or moss phlox. Mine aren't actually in bloom yet, but this time last year they were covering all the little beds in my garden, and I've just put a quick picture up just to show you. So the pink full moon that comes in April is particularly significant to the Christian celebration of Easter, which is celebrated, as you know, at different times within April, sometimes really early, sometimes in the middle, sometimes at the end, as it is this year. And the reason that it moves is because it is celebrated after the first Sunday following the full moon after spring equinox. So that's where we get Easter from. Beyond its religious significance, the pink full moon is also a time for moments to reflect on the transformative power of spring. It's time to plant new seeds, both in the garden and metaphorically in personal ambitions and goals. The moon's energy encourages us to reflect on past cycles and readiness for fertile opportunities ahead. As the earth reawakens, so too can we invigorate our own paths, drawing inspiration from the blooming life around us. So symbolically, the pink moon is associated with growth, renewal and fertility, rendering it an auspicious period of both practical and magical spiritual introspection. So, some things we can do. Cleansing rituals. Begin by thoroughly cleansing your sacred space and tools to dispel any stagnant energy that's built up over the winter months. It's a great time for spring cleaning as we probably know it, which obviously has its roots back in folklore, etc. So, you know, there's lots of ways you can do that. You can use smoke sticks, such as a sage stick, and you can go round each room and cleanse that way. You can use floor and door washes, such as these that I buy from Mama's Magic and Mojo. So this is a come to me, so this is kind of for abundance, you know, sort of drawing on. So you just dilute that in some water and you can wash all your spaces. You can use aura sprays, you can use incense sticks, are good for cleansing your space and getting rid of all that negative energy. Another thing you can do, and I find this really useful, is to open all your windows and go around each room and make noises, so like clapping your hands, shouting, I've got some notes here, so drumming, whatever, ringing bells, anything that makes a noise. I particularly like to use my tongue drum, and I'll show you. So this is my tongue drum. I'm just going to set it on the desk, but what I would normally do is set it up on a table or a work nightstand, anywhere depending on which room. Open those windows, and then I just love that sound. I'm just going to move that to the floor. I can't play the thing. I did decide that one day I need to actually have some lessons. I did download a lesson to watch, but I've never actually got around to watching it. But just to make the noise, and actually that kind of vibrates through you as well, so I feel really connected to that kind of sound, so that's really cool. Another thing you can do under the full moon is recharge your crystals and cleanse your crystals. So set them in a bowl, on a table in your garden, or on a window ledge where the moon actually can hit, and just leave them. You can imbue them with your intentions if you want to sit out there for a while with them, if you're in your garden, if it's not too cold, that is. Or you can sit with them on the window ledge, or however you access the moon. So you'll be imbuing them with renewed energy. Crystals like rose quartz, moonstone, amethyst resonate deeply with the new pink moon's unique vibrations, enhancing qualities such as love, spiritual growth and intuition. Harness this beautiful opportunity to amplify their properties, allowing for a more profound connection to your intentions and desires. Moving on, we have divination. Embrace the amplified intuition offered by the pink moon by immersing yourself in divination practices like tarot, reading, scrying or pendulum work. Allow these mystical tools to provide clarity and guidance on the paths and opportunities awaiting you. Embrace the pink moon's powerful fertility symbolism by engaging in transformative rituals aimed at manifesting abundance, creativity and growth across all aspects of your life. Harness the lunar power to plant seeds of intention for up and coming projects, nurturing relationships or personal development, goals you aspire to cultivate. During this time, focus on visualizing your goals with clarity, using tools such as candles or crystals to enhance the ritual's potency. I've created a Grimoire page for you which you can download, which has a meditation on it, and it has a couple of other bits and pieces as well which you might be interested in. I've also the spell that we're going to be doing shortly, I've also created a copy of that for your personal use, so you have everything that you need and what to do. So once you've watched this video, and if you kind of thought, oh, what is it I need you to do, you don't have to re-watch the video because I've written it out for you, and you can download that in the link that I provide in the description. Connect with nature, perhaps by gardening or spending time in a serene space. Deepen your alignment with growth and energy. Consider journaling your progress and your intentions under the moon's glow to capture its magic. The pink moon offers a unique opportunity to align your aspirations with the universe's rhythm, encouraging a fertile ground for dreams to flourish. Immerse yourself in the enchanting radiance of the pink moon by meditating outdoors beneath its radiant glow. This unique celestial event offers a perfect opportunity to enhance your meditation practice, bringing a sense of calm and inner peace. As you sit comfortably under the night sky, feel the gentle breeze and listen to the sounds of nature around you. Allow yourself to connect deeply with the moon's powerful energy, aligning your intention and aspirations with its natural rhythm. Visualize the moonlight washing over you, cleansing and revitalizing your spirit. Embrace this time of reflection to gain clarity and purpose, letting go of any thoughts or emotions that no longer serve you. You can download my sheet to give you a quick spell for this. Use this meditative experience under the pink moon to reset and recharge, paving the way for personal growth and transformation. Another thing you can do is self-love rituals. Run yourself a lovely bath, add some pink salt to it, add some rose petals, your favourite essential oils, and just relax in it. And as you do, think about your intentions, let them flow as the water's flowing around you, and just relax. Meditate and reflect on the qualities that make you unique and worthy of love. So now let's craft a spell together. This is just obviously a demonstration, but obviously I do my own spells in private, but this gives you an idea of what you can do. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm ready to start. So I've got all my ingredients here. So I've set my bottle on this little plate, and I've added a mix around it of just some of the herbs that I'm going to be using in it anyway, just to help with the amplification. So this is what you'll need, and obviously I'm just using ingredients that talk to me, call to me to use. You can change this up to whatever you feel connected to use, and just check out the properties of what you want to use to make sure they correspond to the intentions that you have. So I'm using brown sugar for sweetness and comfort. Brown sugar, with its natural sweetness, is associated with comfort, joy and positive emotions. I'm using some rose petals, which I have here in my jar. Used for centuries in witchcraft and other forms of magic for their beauty, symbolic meaning and powerful energy. They've been associated with love and passion and protection. And this spell is all about self-love. It's all about you and loving yourself. We have some pink Himalayan salt that I shall be using. Used in helping with friendship, harmony, love, lust, romance, emotional and spiritual healing, devotion, protection of relationships, faith, honour, affection, compassion, sensitivity, joy, self-love, peace, dreams and lunar magic. So it's absolutely perfect for this spell in amplifying your self-love. Next we'll be using lavender, known for its seductive aroma and wound healing properties, but also for its ability to channel energy of love, protection and clarity. Next comes jasmine flowers, which we have here. Renowned for its association with love, meditation and relaxation, jasmine holds a revered status in the practitioner's arsenal of tools. Its delicate blossoms are believed to possess the power to kindle passion, foster inner beauty and instill confidence when carried with a mojo bag, locket or spell jar. We have some rosemary for love, fertility, faithfulness, purification, cleansing and protection. We have a sage leaf, and that's what you're going to write your intention on. It's also for protecting and granting the wishes. Sage is used to promote wisdom, bring good luck and build emotional strength. And lastly, we're going to be using some pink peppercorns. In their magical context, pink peppercorns are often associated with joy, celebration and a touch of playful energy. They are also believed to help attract positive energy and enhance creativity. You'll also need a small jar, a pink candle, and something to write on your leaf with. At each step, at each stage of this, imagine what your intention is. For mine, I'm going to use the intention of I am worthy for love. So I'm going to actually write that on my leaf now. So first thing, I've lit my smoke stick and I'm just going to use the smoke to cleanse. I have cleansed all my tools. I'm also lighting an incense stick just because I enjoy the smoke. Away. So now that we're ready to move on with our spell, plate under to catch any drips that might fall. And now I'm going to light my candle, but first I'm going to anoint it. with some King Solomon oil to amplify. And I'm bringing that towards me to bring the self-love and self-healing that the pink candle signifies. And I'm going to light my candle. And while it's doing its thing, I'm looking into the flames and letting the wax fall onto the lid and seal my jar. So my magical friends, there we go. Some information for you. Some downloads. So don't forget there's a pink moon info sheet with some other rituals on there. There's the spell that we've just completed, a scrapbook file with some images that I've created for your grimoires or for your journaling. So take care, my lovelies, and I will see you all soon. Bye.